Okay, so I just finished pre-pooing my hair. Yes, you heard me, I pre-pooed my hair. And I pre-pooed it with the OlaPlex number 5 conditioner. More on that in another video that I will probably tag. I'll link it above in one of these corners, who knows. But that'll be coming after this. I am just rinsing out the water in my hair, rinsing out that conditioner, and getting ready to go in with the shampoo. But I wanted to hop in and chat with you guys about whether I'll continue to purchase OlaPlex. We will talk about that here in a moment. I'm taking the OlaPlex number 4 shampoo and I am just shampooing my hair, starting in those twists. I waited about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, to wash my hair, which is why I decided to pre-poo in the first place. I really just did not want to hop in the shower without having some kind of moisturizing product in my hair before going in with a shampoo. Once I kind of got that shampoo on my scalp, I went ahead and took down my twists and shampooed in all of those individual sections. I started out with the back, then I went up towards the crown, and then I worked my way to the front. I've been shampooing my hair in sections for a few months now, and I find that it's easier for me to get to my scalp. I have trouble getting to my scalp usually. I'm really good at washing my actual hair strands, but when it comes to my scalp, I have problems. So it's just been really helping going in these smaller sections, parting the hair in half, going in between the hair, and really putting that shampoo directly on my scalp before working it on my hair strands is really, really helping me with any sort of buildup I felt like I was having on my hair. Last time I went to my stylist in January, she noticed buildup on my scalp as well, but because she watches my videos, she knows I can shampoo my hair well, but my scalp, that's a whole nother issue. So I really love putting my hair in these sections, although sometimes it's super annoying. I do it anyway. And what you're seeing me do here is I shampoo twice. Now I'm going to be doing a OlaPlex number 3 treatment, but again, I had pre-pooed and I hadn't washed my hair for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks before going in with the shampoo. So it was completely necessary to double shampoo before going in with the OlaPlex number 3. As my hair gets longer, I wonder if it'll be advantageous to continue to wash my hair in sections or wash it all at once. I see people do it so many ways. I've seen people with longer hair similar to my texture do the 1 hour wash and go, and they shampoo their hair, they condition their hair, they even deep condition for like 10 minutes, even out of the shower, and still make it in under an hour, at least with the styling aspect, the shampoo and the styling aspect of their hair. And one of the major differences I've found is that, yes, you can absolutely have a 1 hour wash and go day, but you're not gonna be washing your hair as thoroughly as I like to, just because you're going a little faster. And a lot of people are like, yeah, but you don't always need to. That's like when you get in the shower and you try to do a everything shower every single time you get in the shower. That's not really necessary. And sometimes it's kind of detrimental to your skin if you're all constantly exfoliating, constantly trying to shave, and that can be a problem. And so I compare that to my hair, where it's like, with my hair, I like to make sure that my scalp is clean. And in order to make sure my scalp is clean, I have to thoroughly shampoo my hair. And I'm looking forward to trying out a 1 hour wash day and seeing if I can get it to about an hour. And that's with washing, conditioning, and styling. Drying, it's gonna take some more time, but washing and conditioning and styling, I would love to get that in an hour. And I think I can do it. I know I can do it, but I think the frustration lies with the efficiency. Is it actually good for my hair? I know it can be done, but can it be done well? So we'll see. Do you guys shampoo your hair in sections, or are you just one and done? I'm just going to do it all in one part. I know some people like to shampoo all at once, and then they'll have specific days, maybe on the clarifying day, which is exactly what I'll be doing today after this. They go in and they separate their hair so that they can make sure they're getting all of their hair strands. But I find it's easier for me to just keep up a good habit. And no, it's not always necessary, but it's beneficial for me. So you guys let me know what you do. One thing I've noticed about this shampoo is that after rinsing my hair out, my hair goes back to feeling soft. It feels hydrated. It's very weird. I'm telling you, you'll rinse your hair out and you'll be like, oh, my hair feels clean. And then after like a few minutes, you'll feel your hair and it's like, it feels like I just put something else in it. Like, I know my hair is clean, and it felt very, very clean after I rinsed this out, but it doesn't feel stripped. And that's one of the reasons why I really enjoy using this shampoo. As you can see, I'm going in with the OlaPlex number 3. So now I guess it's fair for me to talk about whether I'll be repurchasing this product, because I don't know if you saw, but I'm on the last leg of this bottle, and I actually returned all of my other OlaPlex number 3s. And before you get the wrong idea, I did not return them because of the lawsuit. I actually returned them because I have gotten access through my stylist to the salon professional OlaPlex products, which I would much rather use than the ones that are for the consumer, especially since I'm under Brianna's observation. Like, I go to see her pretty consistently and she keeps an eye out on my hair. So I decided, I'll use up the last of my OlaPlex number 3 this session, and then I'll start using the number 1 and 2 instead of the 0 and the 3. So look forward to those videos, and I guess I kind of answered whether I'll be continuing to use OlaPlex or stopping. So there's a lot of controversy around OlaPlex right now, and this isn't anything new to the natural hair community or to the hair community in general. We had a very similar instance with Diva Curl, and mind you, we had some people on the app that really were using it consecutively, very consistently. They showed that they were having problems with the quality of their hair. Their hair was declining. It was getting looser. Their curls were getting looser. It was getting finer. The curls were breaking up the strand. It was looking rough. It was looking bad. As far as OlaPlex goes, I have nothing but good things to say. I don't know the circumstances of these people who are filing the lawsuit. I know there are some of you who are experiencing hair loss with OlaPlex, and I'm sorry. I think it's great that you stop using the product and that you've noticed it's just not for you. But that doesn't mean that the product doesn't work or that it's causing hair loss for everyone. And I personally, as I said, I'm experiencing really great progress in my OlaPlex journey, and specifically in my bond builder journey. I'm not married to any brand, okay? I need that to be known, but I support brands that work. I support brands that I feel like are doing their best to show that they have integrity and that they're not just out here willy-nilly selling just about anything. There's science behind OlaPlex and it holds up. I asked my stylist, hey, should I be using OlaPlex at my last appointment? And mind you, that was before the lawsuit had come out, or I had heard of the lawsuit, but I trust my stylist, and I trust a lot of the hairstylists that are saying this product works. Sometimes it's not going to work for everybody. There can be underlying conditions, but to just outright stop using it because of fear mongering and because of a lawsuit from about 30, I think there's 100 now, people who have experienced issues with it. There are so many discrepancies, so many nuances, so many things that we will never know about these people and their health or what they're experiencing, and there's many people who have come out and said, yeah, OlaPlex is just straight up not good for my hair. And all I'm here to say is that I'm still going to be using it because it's working very well for me. And that's all I can focus on. I really trust Dr. Daye. She is a dermatologist on YouTube. I suggest you go ahead and check out her video on the OlaPlex lawsuit. It was full of great information, so I will link that below. And I highly suggest that everybody just does their own research. People look at all of the research that you possibly can. See what you're experiencing firsthand, because that's what really matters. If something is working for you, it's scientifically proven to work, stylists still suggest it, I don't see the problem. I'm also going to be trying out other bond builders. I'm going to be trying out K18. I have the product, got it for my birthday. Thank you. And I'm really excited. I'm excited to continue my bond builder journey, especially as someone who wets her hair often, who has dealt with high growth fatigue, is actually recovering her damaged hair, because a lot of people who use OlaPlex just kind of use it just because it's a good product, but it's for damaged hair. So yeah, guys, I'm still going to be using OlaPlex. I sat with that number 3 in my hair for about an hour, and my hair is looking good. It's feeling good. I'm rinsing that out, and I'm going to go in with my clarifying shampoo. I'm going to shampoo in the exact same way I did the first time in those sections. Right now, I am loving the OlaPlex NC4 shampoo. It is bae. Like, I use that as my sole clarifier for now. There's other clarifiers that I have that I need to try. Well, at least one other clarifier, but this clarifier really does the job for me. I love the way it feels on my scalp. I love the way it feels on my hair. Similar to the number 4, my hair feels soft after having rinsed all of it out and just kind of sitting for a while. It doesn't feel stripped. It feels clean, but it doesn't feel completely stripped. And some people will say, well, it's the clarifying shampoo. You want your hair to feel stripped. No, I don't. I don't want my hair to feel completely stripped. I want it to feel clean. I want my scalp to feel clean. And when you're using a moisturizing shampoo versus a clarifying shampoo, you will feel that difference, but it doesn't mean it has to feel squeaky clean. So if you don't like that squeaky clean feeling, but you like your hair being clarified well, I think this is a great option for you. I think you should try it out. If I ever stop using OlaPlex, this is one of the products that I will not stop using. This Bond Intense Moisture Mask is A1. You don't need a lot, but upon application, your hair starts to feel immediately soft. I'm heavy-handed, so I am going to add a little bit more to each section, but I'm also a cocktailer. I like to add the number 5 in with the number 8, just because I think they mix really well. They complement each other well, and in order for me to save more of the number 8, I'm gonna have to use more of the number 5, which I'm perfectly okay with. It works well for me. Let me know in the comments, do you cocktail your conditioner and your deep conditioner, or are you strictly one or the other? It depends. I typically just use the deep conditioner I'm using, but with these two, it's a must. Number 1, the number 8 is expensive for the little bit that you get, and you don't need a whole lot again, but you know, I like to make sure my hair is fully coated. So I go ahead and add in a little bit of that number 5, and it works out really well. Since I already detangled during the number 3 application, I'm not going to detangle until I style, which will be in another video, but I'm really doing well with not over detangling my hair. I used to struggle with that a lot. I used to use a tool to detangle at every single step, and I started to see rapid breakage, and I'm not dealing with that anymore now that I've changed that habit. So yeah, you're just gonna see me using my fingers to detangle and really rubbing the product into my hair and just twisting it on up to deep condition. Same as the number 3, I'm gonna let that sit in my hair for 30 minutes to an hour. I just like doing this. If you don't know, my shower water be taking forever to stay warm, so I just like to get out the shower and chill, do some dishes, get some things done while I'm deep conditioning, but it's always worth it. My hair always feels so much better after I use OlaPlex conditioner products, so I love it. And the best part, once I'm just done with the whole treatment, my hair feels incredibly soft. It feels so soft and so hydrated. I love it. So yeah, guys, I'm still using and loving OlaPlex. Let me know if you do too. It feels amazing. My ends feel fantastic. If you want to know if I'm still using it, absolutely yes, I am.